Okay, today we're going to take a look at a nice commemorative Zippo. Now this one arrived in the normal Zippo black box, and it is called Woodstock. And it's got the ridiculous P65 California warning on it. It was made in Bradford, PA. It's a genuine Zippo made in the USA. Now this one is celebrating 50 years of Woodstock. It happened in 1969. I think it was in Bethel, New York. And it does have a collectible insert. You can see the Woodstock logo there. And it says 2019 Woodstock Ventures, licensed, etc., etc. So it's a nice little insert. Here is the commemorative Woodstock Zippo on a white matte finish. Real good sound. It's got a steel insert. And this one was made recently in L of 18. I think that's December. It's got a little overlap on the coating. But it's got good stampings. Lights up nice. So if I recall, some of the performers at Woodstock were Janis Joplin, Jimi Hendrix, The Who, Crosby, Stills, Nash & Young, Country Joe and the Fish, Joan Baez, quite a few more. Let's do a drop test on this target. A lit drop test. There we go, the Woodstock Zippo passes the drop test nicely. And I'm going to put that one right in the rock and roll section, or one of the rock and roll sections of my collection, right next to the Beatles, The Who, and the Rolling Stones. It fits nice right there. And I think we can give that a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.